In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a digital movie from Amazon Prime Video. This can seem like a complicated task if you're venturing into it for the first time, but I promise, with a little guidance, you'll become a pro at this in no time. Before we get started, make sure you have an active Amazon account and your payment details are up to date. First, you'll need to navigate to Amazon.com. It's the hub for all things Amazon, and you'll find all your digital content options there. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your account email address. Type it in and click Continue. Afterwards, you'll be asked to enter your password. Ensure you type it accurately, as this is your key to accessing your Amazon account. Once that's entered, press Sign In. With a successful sign in, you're greeted by your personalized Amazon homepage. Now direct your attention to the top left of the page and click on All, which will reveal a list of options. In this drop-down menu, find and click on Digital Content and Devices. This will take you to a new screen where Prime Video is one of the options, so go ahead and click on it. You're now entering the world of digital entertainment, which includes thousands of movies and TV shows. On this page, you'll see a Movies tab. Click on it to explore the vast collection of films available for purchase. Browse through the options, and once you spot a movie you're interested in, select it to view more details about this title. If you're not already a Prime member, consider exploring the Watch with Prime option, which might offer a 30-day free trial. This is a great way to explore what's available before committing to a purchase. If interested, click on go to primevideo.com and potentially join Prime by selecting a subscription that suits you. If you're still keen on buying or renting the movie, look for the buy or rent button. Click this button, keeping in mind that if you have purchasing restrictions set up on your account, you might be required to enter your PIN as a form of purchase verification. After confirming the purchase, the movie will appear in your Amazon Prime Video library. This section houses all your digital purchases, allowing you to watch your newly acquired film anytime you please from the comfort of your home. Navigating these steps might seem lengthy initially, but rest assured, with practice, buying a digital movie from Amazon Prime Video becomes quick and easy. Enjoy exploring and enhancing your digital movie collection.